Clean, tufted, or buttoned upholstered furniture by targeting crevices first and treating stains with minimal moisture to avoid damage. Start by thoroughly vacuuming the piece using a soft brush attachment and the crevice tool to remove loose dirt and debris from seams and around buttons. For spot cleaning, test any cleaning solution on an inconspicuous area and wait at least 20 minutes to confirm there is no color change or fabric damage. Use a gentle pH-neutral upholstery cleaner or a solution of mild dish soap and distilled water applied sparingly with a soft microfiber cloth. Blot rather than rub to lift stains. For areas around buttons and deep tufts, wrap the crevice tool with a clean microfiber cloth to both protect the fabric and pick up soil, or use a soft natural bristle brush to loosen dried particles before vacuuming again. When extracting moisture, use a dry cloth to absorb as much liquid as possible and then use a fan or hair dryer on a cool setting to speed drying so mildew does not form. For delicate or antique fabrics, consider consulting a professional textile conservator if the fabric is fragile, patterned with paints or metallic threads, or if stains are widespread. Common mistakes include overwetting the fabric, which causes water rings and backing damage, so always apply liquid to a cloth not directly to the upholstery and use very small amounts. Another frequent issue is aggressive scrubbing around buttons that distorts tufting and loosens stitching, so blot gently and support the surrounding fabric with your other hand while cleaning near buttons. Finally, people often skip drying, which leads to mildew and odor. After cleaning, press dry with absorbent towels and allow airflow until completely dry. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors who do upholstery and related repairs and allows contractors to advertise services and find new clients. We also host a discussion community where users share tips, ask questions, and compare experiences with cleaning techniques and local professionals.